use this color. This color. This color. We use black. Should be black. So let's dive in. Let's start with this color. I use this here. Black here. Black. Also black. And here is also black. So black. Here is also black. Control R. Black. So here we use white. Okay, let's duplicate part. Let's click. Control K. Let's click. And go. So let's do that here. Object. And group. So it's not good. So give each of them, give it white. But before then, let's work on this gradient. We'll use this color purple. Then we use gradient fill. Iterative fill. Drag from here, see here. Then this will give it gradient. I remove the outline. Let's click on this place. Here I gave all of them white. And increase the outline. I change the outline to white. Then increase the outline. F12. I made here to be point. Point here is the width was 8. You can shift to see what you're doing. Then behind fill, scale with object. If you like, you can change this to round corners, the corners to be round. So okay. So here you can delete this box, we don't need it. Here we did also do similar thing here. Give it black, right? Black field. So we'll now use G, iterative field too. Right here. Make this purple. For this, click on this and we'll make it purple. Remove the outline. Press G or the interactive field tool. Drag here. It should be purple. The orange. So remove the outline. Right click here. Click change the tool. Here should be white. White. Here. Forgot to add this color. So here, drop it. We use this color. Remove the outline. Edit contents. So this place, remove the outline. Copy, drag it to your right and drop it to your right. So this will be this field. So I right clicked and power clip in it. Power clip it here. So what I did was to edit it after us edit, then I moved it downward 3 times, left to right 3 times, let's say 3 times. So I come to effect, blur. For some CorelDRAW, you need to be smart before you can blur. So I use Gaussian blur. So I increase the radius. Let's see 12. Let's say 15. 20 something. So you can come check it out. So you can hold down Alt and click this. Shift it the way you want. This one will have. It's like a plastic effect. Hold down Alt to adjust it the way you want. To me. Press F4. For this, hold down Alt and click on this. Then this one can be, let's say, hold. What's it? Oh. So this shift. Take this up. Actually, I made some mistakes. See, 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 see. There's this space, you can adjust it a bit. Push it. The next thing we did was to bring the resources we used. So we can delete this. So let me bring the outputs I use on the footer. Let me bring this ones. So most of this image was gotten from um PNG wing. So got them who control. This one I used here. Click and drag. Click and drag. Click and drag. Click and drag. What color? One of them was gotten from my stock image folder. Computing. Hold on control to select. So this is the one we used. So import it. What I did here was right click here, right click here, back click. I think we are going to also right click, back click. So remaining one of the image. So I got from I got the image from the client. So what I put it inside. What I did was to work on this by editing power clip. But before then, let me finish. Before then, what I did was to fit proportionally. This is proportionally. This was also fit proportionally. fit proportionally since it's already in the center. So I'll do it manually. Select subject, select the power clip, then you hold and shift. You can hold and shift to cover this. That's what I did here. For this, it's already okay. So draw a line here, hold and shift. Move the line. Hold and shift. When the footer. So I'll just descend to it. What's this? Okay. Group them. Ground control. So what we're doing here now is to align it horizontally. So Control K. So everything here, hold on. You hold on Shift and press this E. So for this, click on this, Shift E. So you can delete this one. So you can group them now. So G and C. Hold on Shift C and E. This for the footer. Let's go for the background. It's mainly the background now. What we're doing here is to click here. Remember, we'll hide some things here earlier. Move the outline here. To unhide them. So what we're doing next is to change this. So let's increase the size first. Change it to the angle of rotation should be 90. Right shift. Cover it. Next thing I did here is come to object. I unhide the boxes I draw in there. Those boxes. There's some boxes I draw earlier. So here it is. I'll unhide them. I don't need this. Delete this. But I need this. I need this too. So what I will do is to ungroup it. This one, I can group it. Group. Oh. The next thing I will do for this place. But the first one, give it like, let's say, this column. Read the outline. Second one, give it this column. The outline. I will use the transparency tool. Click here. Backside will be transparent. Let's do this. Same thing applies to it. So this place will be transparent. So there we go. Hold shift. So for this one, what we're doing here is to click for this. This one we clicked earlier. Z. So this is what we're doing. Come to the transit sheet. the transparency to transparency to, so we change this normal to overlay. You see how it is. Then the next thing we're doing is to click on this bar. Then we'll click it. We'll bring to front order. Should be order here, order to front of this it. This how it works. Successfully design the flyer. So don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Meet in the next video. So don't forget to remove this remove this outline. Let's click in. Meet in the next video. You're welcome.